Honor is gearing up to launch its own thin and light premium phone with the Magic 8 Air. The device was teased by the brand's president on Weibo, where it is said to feature both Pro and Air features. Tipster Universe Eyes also shared a schematic render for the Magic 8 Air, which shows a brushed aluminum back with a visor design for its cameras that's quite similar to the Google Pixel series. This image is just a render, so the actual device may end up with a different design. Magic 8 Air will be 6.3mm, which is actually thicker than the iPhone Air 5.6mm and Galaxy S25 Edge 5.8mm. Magic 8 Air will weigh just 158 grams compared to the iPhone Air's 165 grams and the S25 Edge's 163 grams. Honor Magic 8 Air will feature a 6.31-inch display, MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipset, and a 5500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. The device is expected to launch in China later this month. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.